Do you value comfort and want to sew a little more? Enjoy the convenience of the Practik range. Includes automatic threader, one-step automatic buttonhole, and lead stitch indicator. The Practik 7 can handle all types of fabrics, as it incorporates elastic stitches to sew knit, lycra, t-shirts. But depending on the elastic, a different needle is needed. It is a robust and stable machine that has 2 metallic spool holders, metallic presser foot holder, shuttle and metallic bobbin case. Includes 23 stitch types, one-step automatic buttonhole, lock stitch, right shift lock stitch, overcasting, stretch overcasting, invisible stitch, stretch stitch with overcasting, decorative scallop stitch, scallop wave stitch, light decorative stitches, double lock stitch, double offset lock stitch, double overedge stitch, honeycomb stitch, elastic overedge stitch, decorative cross stitch and stretch stitches. The Practik 7 has upper thread tension regulator to adapt the stitch to each fabric. Automatic bobbin winder. Double presser foot height for thick fabrics. And free arm for tubular garments. Also includes white LED light. 6 rows of feed dogs for easy movement of the fabric. Reverse stitch for back tacking stitches. And thread trimmer. Get the most out of your Practik 7.